guns out, boys, and load them up. Take your time. Hold them up in the air so as they can see what we've got.
All guns and no balls, right, Billy boy?
So what do we do now? Just give the order.
Doesn't have to be like this, Kimber.
Too late for all that. You've bit off more than you can chew, you little toe rag, and now I'm going to take over this shithole.
Oh. We have to use guns. Let's use proper guns.
Sergeant Thorne, reporting for duty, sir.
You were saying something about being outgunned.
What are you doing?
I believe you boys call this no man's land.
Ada!
Shut up and listen.
Have you lost your mind?
I said shut up! Now, most of you are in France, so you all know what happens next. I've got brothers and a husband here, but you've all got somebody waiting for you. Now, I'm wearing black in preparation. I want you to look at me. I want you all to look at me. Who'll be wearing black for you? Think about them. Think about them right now. And fight if you want to. But that baby ain't moving anywhere. And neither am I.
She's right, you know. Why should all you men die? It should just be them who's caused it.
Hold your guns up! Enough! Kimber and me fought this battle one-on-one. It's over. Go home to your families.
Scott, boss. Carly, pick him up.